here we have it, the final installment of the epic 300 plus pen pencil eBay haul. And here we have the Pentels, 144 mechanical pencils plus erasers and lead. Let's get to it. But before we do, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone that's tuned in and watched all these videos so far. Thank you. Let me know which one of the videos were your favorite. Also, let me know which pen or pencil was your top one in this haul. Alright, before I start, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what I paid for these, because I know you guys want to know. I paid $139 for 4 lots, totaling 144 pencils, not counting erasers and lead. Let's get into it. Here we have bag number 1, but I'm going to be doing a little bit different today since I have a lot to go through and I know you want to see it, but we all have stuff to do and places to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and unload all 4 bags, move them aside, and we're just going to fly through this thing as fast as we can, but we're still going to try to make it fun. So let's empty these bad boys. Now that is a lot of mechanical pencils. Make sure you stick around to the end, see which ones I'm going to be keeping, because as I said in some of the previous videos, we really enjoy the Pentel mechanical pencil. We don't really have a lot, we picked up a couple here and there, but they're definitely one of our favorite mechanical pencils. So stick around to see what colors we're going to keep. Let's move these out of the way and get this party started. Parts the Pentel C. Here's the first Pentel of the evening, the Quicker Clicker. This is an NOS set and it's 0.7 millimeters. For the video, I'm just going to do my best at lining these up by color and by model. So let's see how many we get of each color. Let me know which color you think we're going to have the most of. Go ahead and drop your comments down below. Next up, we have the Pentel P205 in black. And some of these may be missing some parts, may have some scratching, but overall, I think they're in pretty dang good condition for a majority of them. Next up, we have a blue Pentel PS315. And I don't know which ones I like the most over each other because I've only wrote with a few of these, but I am pretty pumped. We have the Pentel P207. And for just in case you guys did not know, Pentel is a Japanese company. Next, a yellow P209. I really like that color. Kind of a mustard yellow, and this one still has the barcode on it. Great shape. And for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Big Bad Brad. Thank you for joining us. And if you enjoy the video, you know what to do. Leave a like, ring that bell, and then you'll get notifications for all our upcoming videos. And we do all sorts of stuff here on the channel. Everything from pens, mechanical pencils, hauls, pen ventures, and more. And here is the Pentel P207. P207. And if we have them a bunch, I don't think I need to repeat each one, and I'm just going to go ahead and set it in its place. Another 207. And here we have P205, the second one of those. Another 205. This one has the sticker on it still, which almost looks like it's a lead sticker, like it shouldn't be on there. We'll find out as we go. Another 205. 205, and the 205 appears to be a 0.5 millimeter pencil. Let me grab another handful here. And if you're a Pentel fan, let me know what your favorite Pentel is, and if there's any here that I don't have in my collection that you recommend, I would love to hear about them. Here we have the Pentel 0.7. Looks very similar to the Quicker Clicker, but I think it's a different model. I don't see a model number on this one. So we'll just go ahead and set that there for now, and maybe we'll encounter another one. And here we have another 0.5 Quicker style. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to move this here, and I'm going to make that the middle row. Here we have another Pentel 205. Now we have a new model. I'm not sure which one this is, but it's a slick looking one. And I do like that one quite a bit. And as always, I love to hear any model names or any information you can give on the pencils, the company, or whatnot. 0.9 millimeter. Make sure we have those the same. So it's almost looking like the color will match the lead side. We'll see if that pattern continues. Another one. Another P209. And another one. And another one. Here we have a new one. This one is the Pentel Fort A55 0.5 millimeters. It appears to be missing the eraser, but we should have some erasers and leads that'll hopefully fit it. So that's a new one in the lot. Another 0.5 millimeter. Ooh, I like that one. This one is another variant. I don't think we've got this one yet. Here we have it right here. The Pentel P225. This one does not have the model on the barrel, but this one does. Move it a little closer. And we have another handful. Ooh, our first green. This one's a 0.5 millimeter P205. So, same millimeter size, same model, different color. So that this may disprove my earlier theory. P209, 205, 205. Looking like the 205s are winning so far. 207. This one is missing the eraser cover. 205. And at the end, I'll do a little zoom through and show you the whole haul, all organized by color, and then I will show you which ones I'm going to be adding to my personal collection. That's the 207. That's still matching. 207. And another Quicker Clicker. This one even has its eraser cover. I guess this one does too, but definitely a bonus. Shebang. Let's keep this party going. 205. Oh, here we have the Pentel Fort Pro 2. Yeah, move this bubble wrap while everyone will be hearing it. Look at that beautiful mechanical pencil. I really like that classic blue. And this one also has its UPC still fresh. Great condition. Next is another unknown Pentel. No model number. Oh, look at this. This is the same as the Pentel Fort, 0.5 millimeter. This one also does not have the brand, or this one also does not have the model on the barrel. 205, 205, 205, 205. Boom. 205's taking the lead hard. And here we have a nice aqua blue. I'm assuming that's what it is. Really nice blue color none the least. And that looks like a quicker clicker to me. And we have a Fort Pro. So we have Fort Pro 2. Actually, we have the... Hold on, let's see this. We have the Fort. We have the Fort Pro and the Fort Pro 2. Look at that. All three. And the Fort and the Fort Pro are 0.5 millimeter, and the Fort Pro 2 0.7 millimeter. Another turquoise 207. And here we have a classic blue quicker clicker. And I believe they call it that just because you have this convenient click mechanism right at your fingers. Boom, boom, boom. And you got to move up to the top, which is cool. Not my favorite area for the activation system on the pencil, but for a lot, I'm sure it's convenient. But I like a nice smooth area to rest my fingers. Here's another handful, and this one says for nylon paper, which is pretty, for mylar paper, so that's kind of interesting. I'm not sure why they felt the need just to go and tape that on, but that is also, looks a little different than the 207 actually, but it's all covered up, so I'm just going to go ahead and place that there anyways. We'll find out later if it's different. 205. Six more 205s. And there's a lot of these bad boys. So, you already know I'm not going to be keeping 100 of the same color. So a lot of these pencils are going to be going into our eBay store. And we're going to be listing some up in lots, some individually. But if you want them, or are interested in any, you know what to do. Just give me a shout. Nice yellow quicker clicker. And here's a new one. This one is a 0.5 Pentel. And it's got some advertising on it, EVS. I forgot what model this is, but it's really cool. Nice cap activation. And it also has a nice grip, nice and soft. But that is the first one of this in this haul. So we'll set that over here. Alright, I'm going to pull out a handful of turquoise, because turquoise is trying to make a comeback here. And we have 5 turquoise, 4 of which are missing the eraser top. But not a big deal. Also, let me know if you think I did good on this. I know Pentels aren't exactly high dollar items, but a lot of people love them, and I think they'll make a great addition to our store. Here we have a nice turquoise looking color, or I probably would say sea green maybe. Let me know if you think that's sea green. But that's a quicker clicker. And here we have a few more Pentel 205s, 3 to be exact. Another quicker clicker, and this is a demonstrator version, and you can see all the lead on the inside, which that's pretty rad. I always like demonstrators. Another muster, and here we have another classic blue quicker clicker. Move these pros over. I'm digging those Fort Pros. And two 205s. This one shouldn't be there. I can tell. That's a 4 right there. Almost missed that. I spotted another Fort. This is a Fort Pro 2 in black. We have a few more 205s. Put those right there. And I think black's going to end up taking up this whole back row here soon. Some 207s. 3 more. And let me know if your earlier prediction is looking good, or were you off? What color did you guess? Stick around and see if you're right. Here we have, this is a big boy here. Looks very similar to the 205, but it's, well, yeah, it is a 205. It looked bigger, but sometimes my eyes play tricks on me. Here we have a Pentel 225, and I think that may be your first. Oh, no. Here we have two of them already, so now we're up to 3 Pentel 225s. There we go. Let's put those up. A black quicker clicker. Another one. Here we have a 225. We're up to 4 of those now. And another quicker clicker demonstrator. Another new model, the Pentel Techniclick. In my opinion, that's technically pretty sweet. Nice clear mechanical pencil. Little activation on the side, similar to the quicker clicker. A little quieter. And erasers under this purple cap. Very nice looking mechanical pencil. I'll put that right there. Some more P209s in mustard yellow. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 more Pentel 205s. And the back row is being consumed by the 205. That's a lot of 205s. Another quicker clicker in black. This one in orange I really like. I would say it's like a rust orange, maybe a tangerine orange or something. Whatever color it is, I like that one. And shaboom, another P225. And here this bad boy is. And it didn't say what the model was here, but it does say here. And it is the Twist Erase 0.9. And I believe it's called the Twist Erase, yes. Let's check this out. You can twist and your eraser elongates. So you're ready to fix all those unwanted mistakes. And then you just push it down to activate the LED. Pretty cool. Aesthetically, not my favorite, but for functionality, I really like it. A few more 207s in turquoise. Some mustards. Another 22. Oh, hold up. There's a P225, 225, 225, 225. This one, look, oh, I almost messed that up. That's a 205. What's that? What am I doing, man? You can tell it's getting a little late for me. Another 205. Here's a new one, Pentel Sharplet 2. That's a very light one. Feels a little cheaper than these back models, but still a new model, so that makes Big Bad Brad happy camper. A quicker clicker. And that one is a clear one, but it has the blue quicker clicker. Turquoise. Ah, I threw that a little hard. And here we have another quicker clicker in black, a mustard, and a new one, new mechanical pencil alert, the Pentel Icy. Cold as ice. I like that. Next handful. And before I show you my favorites, I'm going to do all these pencils, and then I'm going to show you the leads and erasers I got. Isn't exciting. That isn't as exciting to me, but you guys may just enjoy it. Quicker clicker in light blue. 205, not 205, 3 207s. I can't believe we only have one of these PS315s here. Actually, I really like that classic blue. I was hoping we get some more of those. And we only have one green so far, too. And that's a P205. Well, that's not where you belong. You go right here, buddy. There you go. New color alert. We have a brown 203. I do like that one a lot. Put that next to that green. And we have 1, 2, 3 more P205s. And once I get all these out, I'll spread them out a little bit for some better pictures. Another classic blue quicker clicker. Quicker clicker. This is fun to say. There's another one of the sweet orange ones. And here is a wannabe Pentel 205 that managed to end up in this lot. Looks pretty much identical to the 205, but this is the Office Max 0.5 millimeter. They copied the grip, they copied the clip, but this ain't the same. We'll put that guy right here. We'll set him in there. We want to mess up the feng shui. Quicker clicker. And we're drawing near to the end. And there's probably only a couple handfuls left. And then I'll show you my faves. A couple more 205s. Quicker clicker demonstrator. Let's move this over here. 204, a 22 P225. And we have a couple turquoise, a mustard, a new alert, and a 205. And the new mechanical pencil is the Pentel 120A3. And that one is a A3DX. And that one's 0.7 millimeter. Two handfuls left. Count it. 2 handfuls left. And we have yellow. 2 more 205s. Another 207. 205. 207. 207. New color 207. Discolored 207. And new pencil alert. The Pentel EZ2. EZ2. And that's the Pentel 120. I thought they might have been the same pencil, but they weren't. And here is the final handful of the Pentel mechanical pencils. Another 205, 205, yellow quicker clicker. 3 more 205s, and another 209. Let me go ahead and switch this to hyperlapse, organize these pencils, and then I'll show you the leads and my favorites. Just bear with me. There we have it, all color coded and looking amazing. And as for my earlier question, which pencil are we going to have the most of? Obviously, the clear winner is the Pentel P205 0.5 millimeter pencil. And we got a gang of them. I'm not going to count them out because it's late and I'm feeling like a bum. Y'all watch the video if you really want to do the math. Feel free, but you guys can see what we have the most of. The second runner-up was the Pentel P207 and then the 209. Let me zoom in and give you guys a better look at this lot because it's amazing, and then I'll go ahead and take out my favorites and we'll put them in the book. In the back row, here we have all the 205s lined up and ready for action. Then we have the P205 in green. We have all the P209 0.9 millimeter, a little larger lead size. Then we have the 0.3 millimeter, which I'll tell you already, I'm going to be keeping that one. That is one fine pencil. And then we come over here to the turquoise, and we have the P207, and back here in blue we have the PS315 in 0.5 millimeter. And then we come down here to the first row. We have the Pentel Icy, the Pentel Twist Erase. Oh, there's another Icy. Wait, that's the Icy, and this one is the Easy. Pardon me. Icy and Easy. Then we have some Pentel 225s. The quicker clickers. Boom, boom, boom. Lots of great colors. I really like these ones. And then we got the Pentel Fort, Fort 2, and the Fort Pro. The Fort Pro and Fort Pro 2. And then I accidentally skipped this one, which is the Pentel Techniclick. And then that is all. We have the Pentel Sharplet, and we also have the Pentel 120 A3DX. Ooh-wee! I'm loving it. It makes some fine additions to the collection. Let's go ahead and pick out my favorites and put them into the book. Oh, 1 second. Almost forgot one thing. Let me go ahead and slide these bad boys over right here, because I almost forgot to show you all the lead and erasers. I'm not going to go and read them all off because I just don't feel like it, and it'll make the video a little longer than I would prefer. So let me slide these yellows over, and I'm just going to go ahead and cruise through here, and then we'll show my favorites. Boom. Eraser, automatic, Pentel PD345. And here are the 0.5 millimeter fine. A few of those. And we have your traditional 0.5 HB Pentel leads. A few of those. Bam, bam. Oh. Ah. Sorry about that. Almost forgot this guy. I seen him hanging over there on the side. Almost totally missed it. And that bad boy that was up here. Then we have some eraser refills for the PDE1. 3 tubes of that. Some more erasers. Looks like that's going to be for the 205. Some spare leads, and these ones are 0.7 millimeter. Some more erasers. And finally, some twist erase erasers. Alright, let's pick out my faves. Here are the Pentels I already own. Some nice browns and turquoise here and like a mint, I believe. So we're going to be adding to that lineup. First up, I'm going to be taking this classic blue. Do I have that brown? I do have this brown already, so no need to add another. But as you've seen, I do not have the green. Next up, I gotta throw in a black, P205. I may not keep this exact one, but I will definitely be keeping one of these. I'll probably skim through it again and pick up the crispiest one. So then we have black here. Next up, we got to throw in one of these turquoise. And we'll move this green over and keep the blues kind of together. And I'll probably switch this up a little bit, because I like to have them kind of color themed. And there's the turquoise. And then here we have one of the mustard yellow. Make sure I ain't missing any of these colors here, which it does not look like it. And I really like this color lineup here of the quicker clickers, so I'm going to take a few of these for the other side of my book. And this is kind of my mechanical pencil book I've been working on filling lately. And I'm going to be taking a few of these because I don't have them either. And I'd like to at least write with one of each before I list them. And so for the quicker clickers, we're going to take this one here. This needs the eraser, but as you can see, I just got to look around for a minute and the parts are there. You need one orange. We need one yellow. I like the blue, light blue combination. And y'all seen how I acted over that demonstrator. Gotta throw one up in there. And I may just leave a couple of empty spots here, because I do plan on growing this line, because I dig it. Bear with me, this one's being a little tricky. Oh, that's because that one has a grip on it, and the other ones do not. I just noticed that. See, this one has a rubber grip, and these ones don't. And here is another demonstrator without the grip, so we'll slide that one right there to show the variance. We need to throw a black up in there. Two blacks, one with the grip, one without. So I'm going to switch those around. Sorry, you can't watch me switch them. It's much easier to do on my lap. Just bear with me and I'll be right back to showing you what comes next. I do like this color quicker clicker. And hopefully we have the exact amount here. And the turquoise. And we have one more blue here. But this one's a little beat up. Still cool, but I'll wait till I get a better condition one. So there are the quicker clickers, all looking beautiful, lined up in a row, and ready to write with. And there we have the other ones. This line gotta be my favorite so far. Alright, and then we're gonna pick out one of each for the next page. The Pentel Easy. Then I'm keeping one twist erase. Gonna sell the advertisement one because I really don't care about that. If the twist erase will even fit in this container. It does not, so I'm just gonna toss that into the end. I have a different spot in here for that. Next up we have the P225. Gotta keep one of those. Already got the quicker clickers I need. And then I'm going to go to the Technic. Hopefully that fits in there. It does. Perfect. And then the Fort Pro 0.5 millimeter. And the Fort. I might want to do that Fort instead. Yeah, that Fort's nicer. Quick eye spotted that out. Hold up, no, that one don't have Fort Road on it. So we're gonna go with this one, I guess. So I like to have the name on the pen. And then we have the Fort Pro. Come in that one. Lift that up here. The rubber just makes it hard to get on there. Little T-Rex on it. And then we have the Fort Pro 2 we're going to put in there. And that one's also got the rubber grip, so it's going to be difficult, of course. Easier than the last, so not bad. And then we have the Pentel Sharplet 2. And the Pentel 120A3DX. And a lot of these, I'm not familiar what the value is on them. I'll have to do a little research because I haven't sold them. I have sold these before, and they're always hot sellers and they go real quick. And if you want to get them for real affordable, make sure to pick them up off our eBay page at Simply AB Rustic Relics, which you'll save good money from going to the store. Alright, these are the Pentels that I kept for myself. Let me know which of these awesome Pentels were your favorite. Did you enjoy the video? If you did, please share the love. Share it with a friend that you know that loves mechanical pencils or loves Japanese pencils. And I hope you guys liked it. Till next time, I'm Big Bad Brad from AB Rustic Relics. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, man.